Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lee County, western Chatham County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Goldston, 7 miles south of Pittsboro, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Goldston around 3:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cumnock, Harper's Crossroads, and Hasty. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham and Lee.